Welcome everyone who decided to come back and join me. So today, as you see, we're gonna at least start off by tackling the clutch, brake cylinder clutch, a few vacuum containers, and put back. Maybe I think I'm just gonna throw in the pedal because I pull the wiring and everything. Then I will need to put it on. But anyway, I hope the camera catches okay because still my light source is out of batteries. But we're gonna tackle this from inside and outside. As you can see, I have both pedals, two of them at least, and yeah, while it's relatively warm outside. Well, it's relatively warm outside. I decided don't need to waste any more time and start tackling this because other stuff, changing timing belt, I can do from inside. So I'm gonna try to put that wire back at its place and start assembling. First, let's start by installing the clutch. So, since this is the left hand drive car, clutch is obviously on the farthest left side. So yeah, this is the clutch. Nothing special there. Basically, you can't go wrong with the mounts and anything. Well, I had this one. I think this is distributor or something. Oh, you can bleed clutch from there. Okay. Yeah, mounts look pretty straightforward. 1, 2 for the bleed unit and 4 screws just stick it around. So the clutch is now connected. Well, attached, not connected. Still not sure what I'm gonna do with the tubing. Will I reuse it or will I put a new one in? But that will be topic for the engine when the engine is in. So from the inside, as you can see, I connected it, but I screwed it down with only 3 screws because the 4th one that's way up there, you can see 2 screws in the middle, and yeah, I have no clue how you're supposed to get there. I remember it took me like half an hour or even more just to get it out. So I think it will be good with only 3 screws in. If not, then I will figure something out. So good thing and bad thing. Good thing, got all the piping in, everything fits as planned. Bad thing, I needed to put the brake cylinder in first and only then the vacuum tubes. Damn. Well, you can't win them all. Let's take it all off and redo that thing. So I managed to put everything back on here. So yeah, don't make mistake of like me. You need to first attach clutch, then brake cylinder, and then the vacuum tubing. I won't be dealing with the wires now because it's damn cold outside and I don't want to be here for long, but I can deal with wiring once the engine is in. So yeah, attached everything to the pedals. Sat in my car. So let's get back in the tent. In the tent I lost the second light bulb. That's never fun. The accessories are attached to the body, and next step, oil change, and also the valve cover gasket, because it was leaking from this side. So yeah, I need to change that, and I will be able to see inside. That will be cool. So, a few things off topic. Maybe you noticed, first thing, maybe you noticed that camera is a bit different. Let's hope that sound is also a bit better. Basically, I'm filming from my phone now, because my camera just died. On the positive note, fixed both of the lights. And second positive, as you can see, I got all the screws in. So this was my little off-camera project. I need to make a Patreon off-camera video, off-channel videos, fixing stuff. Anyway, I believe there will be more shakiness in my hand because I don't know how the camera stability works in a phone. But anyway, sad times. I can afford new camera currently. Oh well. We'll try to make do with what I have. Yeah, we'll quickly reassemble this off camera, and then the cylinder head gasket needs to be changed. Let's see how can I film that with the phone. See you in a bit. So the screws are out, and straight off the bat I see that these two are all in oil. Well, since the leakage was from here, and I suspect that gasket is messed up somewhere in this corner, because yeah, these two are oily, rest of them seems to be fine. Okay, let's try to get this off. This is how it looks. Looks pretty clean actually. You have no clue, do they look okay or not? Should there be such waviness to it or not? Again, examining the gasket, well, this side had a very little tear, so here I'm not sure what the hell is going on here. Let me try to fix the light a bit. But yeah, there's a lot of gunk still left that I will need to clean up. Yeah, not sure. Just again, this part, very gunky. I don't know, could be okay, maybe there's something wrong with it, not sure. Anyway, we'll clean up the gasket place, and yeah, stick in the new one, also clean up that one. So for whatever reason I cleaned up the, what's it called, cleaned up the top so I can apply the new gasket. And yeah, I was looking at, and not sure why, the previous owner at a lot of places have put this like silicone sealant on. Either he did some work on the cylinder head, and didn't change the gasket, so he needed to apply sealant just to put it in place, or I don't know what's the problem or reasoning behind that. Either way, now I'm a bit scared to get that silicone stuff in somewhere it shouldn't be. But let's hope I did everything right and we can apply the new one. I'm just gonna clean up this real quick. Again, if we look here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's kind of gunky in there. Well, not much I can do about that. Just clean it up and hope for the best. I don't know why, but the new gasket looks beefier than the old one. Either way, I'm gonna screw down the screws. I will insert a picture somewhere, I don't know, here or somewhere, with the order of the screws. I couldn't find the torque meters for the screws, but hey, at least the order is good. A new cylinder cover gasket, and now we can move on to changing the motor oil. Changing oil, it's a pretty straightforward job. The oil filter is located on the right side of the engine. I just use the tool for oil filters to remove it. I currently can't find mine, but I'll figure that one out. And then unscrew the what's it called? Prepare the bucket so you don't mess up your garage. And here's the Carter screw that you can drain the oil from. The oil screw on this engine is on 14 millimeters, so I already took the cap off. And this cart contains 6.4 liters of oil and 0.7 liters in the oil filter. So engine holds 6.4 plus the 0.7 in the oil filter. So the oil I'm using is this. I found it in the catalog. It said that it's for this car, so we're gonna use that one. It's flowing out. I just hope that I have my buckets enough capacity to hold it all. Not sure. Well, it's dark, so yeah. The old oil filter is out. Oil is still draining. Hopefully it will stop soon. There's the oil filter place for the oil filter. I will clean it up a bit. Let's just fill up this oil filter with our fresh clean oil. Let's do some oil changes. I think I'm gonna crank the engine a few times just to get the oil flowing, since I can't start the engine yet. Then I'm just gonna do it by hand, just so the oil can get places, because even the turbine, it has no oil. Yeah, I think that will be enough for the oil filter. Or actually, I think I can put in more. I have oil to spare. Yeah, on the other hand. The screw is back in. Down there, tighten it down. Now I will add the oil filter and then the oil. Well, at least I know the engine isn't jammed or anything. Now we'll add the rest of the oil and that's it. So all the oil is in. check. The indicator is showing basically half of the, like straight in the middle between minimal and maximum. So just like that, the oil is changed, the gasket is changed. What else? The body has new parts on there, well, old parts on there. And yeah, next step will be the timing belt. This bad boy. I have it already there. Yeah. Weird episode. Camera broke, sad. But I'll try to do my best to keep the videos going. Most likely the one with the body connection will be on 1st of January. Let's start new year with something new and great. But we'll see. So anyway, thanks everyone for stopping by, and hope this helped you learn how to change the gasket and the oil. Most likely people who watch this already know that, but still it's good to get back to those primitive things and small things, because sometimes all you need is to just get some instructions and that's it. So thanks everyone for stopping by. Don't forget to consider about subscribing and leaving a like. If you have any questions about anything, the first part where I added the vacuum containers or whatever those things are called, how the piping goes, just type in the comment or send me an email. I'll try to answer all your questions. So on that note, thanks for stopping by and see you next time. Bye.